Rack Shop is proud to present this 2014 Jeep Patriot. We've installed the Yakima JetStream TimberLine base roof rack system on the factory raised side rails. This is utilizing Yakima's 50-inch crossbar. You can opt for the longer 60-inch bar. Total weight capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. Crossbar spacing from the front bar to the back bar is 34 inches. That's center to center. And this is just a quick look at this install. Again, on this 2014 Jeep Patriot. If you want the full year range that this works with, click on the link in the description below. And thanks for watching.